Been a long, dark, dirty road, pocket full of gold, and I've been out here now, all on my own. It's real quiet here, just the way I like it here. There's no one to bother me except 1955, born into Wadeena's pride. I laid my head on that Milligan Creek bed when I was a young man, helped to build this land, and I laid down these rails as a CPR man. Thought I'd live forever with my heart in my pocket and my gun by my side and a feeling in a locket. Well, that was a cold year, 77, but I married my wife. We had 2 kids, gave her a daughter, she gave me a son, and we rode those damn horses until we had none. Fists still like flying, doing things were dying.